The action camera space is shifting faster than GoPro's usual update cycle, and the Hero 14 Black sits right at the center of that tension. Instead of chasing yearly specs, GoPro appears to be rebuilding its imaging foundation. That makes this release less predictable and far more important than before. The GoPro Hero 14 Black is emerging as a transition device due to GoPro's departure from the GP2 architecture. The new GP3 processor represents a significant upgrade, focusing on higher parallel processing and AI-assisted imaging. This change is expected to enhance motion prediction, exposure balancing, and real-time scene interpretation. One of the most discussed changes is not just resolution, but image formation itself. Instead of relying purely on traditional sensor capture, the Hero 14 Black is expected to lean more heavily into computational reconstruction, especially in low-light environments. This is where competitors like DJI, Action 6 Pro, and Insta360 Ace Pro 2 have already started gaining attention, particularly due to their stronger night performance and AI-enhanced video tuning. Sensor discussions around Hero 14 are especially interesting. While exact hardware details remain unconfirmed, industry direction strongly suggests GoPro is exploring larger sensor formats to reduce noise and improve depth rendering, a weakness that has been repeatedly highlighted in Hero 11, 12, and 13 generations. If this shift happens, it would not just improve brightness handling, it would also change the flat action cam look GoPro has been known for. Another major expected change is in video pipeline flexibility, shifting from peak resolution to sustained high-quality output, reduced overheating, better bitrate stability, and improved color consistency during long recordings. This aligns with GP3 efficiency and thermal redesign improvements. Where things become strategically important is GoPro's ecosystem expansion. GoPro is expanding its ecosystem beyond the Hero Black, introducing products like 360 cameras, compact creator tools, and entry-level smart cameras. This strategy parallels DJI's Osmo ecosystem and Insta360's focus on AI-driven shooting workflows. Compared to the Hero 13 Black, which refined usability but stayed within the same imaging limits, the Hero 14 Black is expected to represent a directional correction rather than an upgrade cycle. Thanks for watching. The Hero 14 Black represents a critical moment for GoPro, balancing hardware strength with AI-driven intelligence as competitors redefine market expectations. What do you think? Can GoPro redefine its core identity before the market moves on? Drop your thoughts.